Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? What's going on? Don't mind the voice, I'm kind of sick right now. But what's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. It's a channel that gets back to the hood so you know what's good. But anyways, I just want to show you a close-up for a shoe that's coming out soon. I don't actually own it, but shout out to one of my followers. He actually ended up getting this pair super early and gave me a video to show to you guys. So it's all thanks to him really that we're going to be able to see this close-up today, but it's for a Yeezy pair coming out next month. It was supposed to drop on May 28th for 230 USD, but it got pushed back to June, unfortunately. What we're talking about here today is the Yeezy 350 Compact Slate Carbon. That's the colorway. And boy, this looks pretty interesting, guys. I'm going to show you this dude's video. This video he sent me, and I'm going to post his Instagram in the corner over here if you want to give him a quick follow. That's his IG right there. Thanks, Josh. I really appreciate this video. Now we can all, get a good close-up, see how it's going to look right before it drops. Take a look, guys. Look at that, look at that. That's pretty interesting, man. I like the combination they use for this one. This one goes with a lot of dark clothing, of course. You got blacks everywhere, but look in the front. You got a certain kind of brown for the front. On the sides, I'd say some sort of tan according to what I see, and that's about it. But this is pretty good. And for those who never copped a pair of 350 Compact, just know that it's a lot more comfortable than the regular 350 V2. The 350 V2 Compact is pretty damn comfortable. Like, if you try to bend your feet inside the 350 V2, like crunch it together, you wouldn't be able to do it as easy as you actually could with the Compact. It's something you're just gonna have to feel for yourself. Definitely try to grab a pair if you can, whether you hit retail, which is the best option, of course, or the aftermarket. Like I said, it's pushed back to June. I don't know the actual official date. We may be able to get an actual date after this upload. We'll see it somewhere. It's gonna be somewhere on the internet, but it got pushed back, y'all. So stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks, Josh. I really appreciate that, man. Anybody who has early looks, feel free to send it to me over on IG. I appreciate it. I don't mind using y'all videos to show the rest of the world basically what we're about to get before it drops in stores. Know what I mean? And stay tuned, y'all, because the people that sponsor me, Yes Yeezy Shoes, they only deal with UA, just letting you guys know ahead of time for those who don't know. But they're about to send me a pair of 700 V1 high-res red. So we're going to take a early look at a UA pair when it comes to that soon. It should be coming here within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I believe. I hope it comes sooner than that, but we'll see. But anyway, stay tuned, y'all. Appreciate having y'all coming over here, taking a look at the channel today. Peace, y'all.